This has fallen. Wow. So there's nothing holding this up. Oh, look at that. Shit. So I'm gonna have to do some kind of work to that today. And nice, look at that. It's completely apart now. Woo! Beautiful. And so my muffler is hanging from the thing I jigged up. Here we are on the other side. We're underneath the vehicle right now. Here's inside the muffler. Woo! So it's pretty cold here. You can see my breath. It's like minus 10 Celsius. Yeah, and this is just hanging here. So at least I saved myself the appearance of having a muffler. Saved myself buying one. I gotta think of some way I can put these two things back together. This has fallen. Wow. So there's nothing holding this up. Oh, look at that. Shit. Nice. Okay, so the whole thing is loose. Let's go back and have a look at another fix. Oh, I'm gonna flip you upside down now. Further up, all the way past the flex pipe, you can see I closed this flange in another video. That's still holding together, it looks like. Okay. Working our way back. Flip you over again. And here we are behind the muffler again. And there it is. Alright, so muffler's just hanging. This is just hanging. Wow. That's fun. That's just hanging there. Alright. So how are we going to fix that? What are we going to do with this? It's just sitting on this here. If we move back along this, what we get is over here, we can see that has let go. So I'm going to have to fix that to lift the back end of this exhaust. To lift it so that it's not banging on this rear differential here. And so that it's at the right height. So that I can then kind of put the muffler to it at where it kind of should be. So that's what we're going to do first. That'll kind of align this back end of the exhaust, and then we'll try to mate the muffler to it. Alright, so I've got my exhaust jacked up in the middle so that it can be at the right height for me to kind of reinforce that and get that to hold. It'll be hanging at the right height to put it together with the muffler. Okay, so that's pretty fucking dubious. So nothing out of the ordinary, right? Okay, so Moment of truth now. I'll take it off the jack. Look at how that holds. Okay, let's also just put something on this side of that so that this doesn't pop right through. So where does that leave our pipe hanging? Right about where we want it. Because the muffler's going to back off a little bit. And it's hanging lower because what I put there was not meant to be pulling on it. So I can tighten this back here and pull it up. Yeah, and then it's going to lean back once the car's off the ramp. All right, we're going to prepare some materials here. My hands are numb, so like I can't feel that at all. Oh, that's a good slice. When did I do that? I can't feel a thing. painful diarrhea. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna have to be off the shit for a while. Shin this afternoon, Phil, that's what dinner. You got a shin this afternoon?
Yeah, you bet I did.
And, no more shin for Patrick, ever. Ever. There's the mileage, the kilometrage, and we're just gonna have a look at this fixed in the daylight, and we'll see how long this lasts for. It's not very loud. So, there's the fix. See how that looks after a few clicks. Okay, here we are about 20 kilometers later after a short trip. Let's go have a look, see. I can tell by the sound that it's still on there. Beautiful day. Woo! Beautiful. All right, so let's have a look here. A few hundred clicks or something, a couple months later. Still hanging on, all right. All right. Nice. Look at that corrosion, that's amazing. So, this corrosion around here is because of the two different metals. Or different